This is Glenn Scott, the painter, Sun City. I'm at the home of Ray and Judy over here in Sun City West. I painted their interior back in 2019, their cabinets, and their exterior. They have an issue with the stucco, and so I'm going to repair that and touch up the paint on it. I don't charge for this kind of service, just for the record. Whenever I paint your plates, if there's any issues, I always take care of them at no charge. Even though this is not my fault, it's the stucco. And if you live in Sun City West over here, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The stucco is terrible. Anyway, let's get started.